How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to do pelvic floor exercises for men. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So what does the pelvic floor muscles do? Pelvic floor muscles are important in providing support for the bladder, the intestines, the uterus in females, and in maintenance of continence as part of the urinary and anal sphincters. Pelvic floor muscles grow because of pregnancy in women and aging or weight gain in men. So there are some exercises that you can do, and I will show you how to do all of them. They're very easy and they will help you feel those pelvic floor muscles, you guys. So the three best pelvic floor exercises, and I'll show you all of them again. The first one is going to be the runner's lunge. The second one is going to be the side leg lift. Third is going to be the bridge. So the first exercise that we're going to do is going to be the runner's lunge, you guys. So to do this, we're going to hold this stretch for 20 seconds at a time. So all we're going to do is we're going to get into a runner's position like so. So again, we're trying to run, and all we're going to do is we're going to bend over and touch the floor with our hands. So this is a runner's position. We're a sprinter. We're getting ready for a big race. So again, all you do, one foot in front of the other, bend over, touch your hands on the ground, and you will feel your pelvic floor muscles working, you guys. Very easy. Second exercise that we're going to be performing is going to be the side leg lift. So the side leg lift, what we want to do is we want to just get into a position, lay on the ground like so, and all we're going to do is lift our leg as high as we can, depending on our anatomy, you guys. Some people will be able to lift it higher than others, other people not as much. So again, all we're gonna do, lift the side of our leg like so, you guys. Very good exercise to do. Really can feel your pelvic floor muscles working when doing that. The last exercise, I saved the best for last, is one of the best ones you can do. All we're going to do for this one, you guys, is we're going to lift up. So we're going to get into a bridge position, and this exercise is called the bridge. So put our hands by our hips. All you want to do now is simply lift up your pelvis, you guys. So go down, lift up your pelvis like so, hold this position. This is a bridge position, you guys. And again, do it again, bridge position. Very easy to do. One of the best exercises you can do for your pelvic floor muscles. Now, people are going to ask me, well, how do I know if I am feeling my pelvic floor muscles? How do I know? Great way to test, or a great way to find out, is to start peeing and then stop. Stop peeing, and then you'll feel those muscles tense up. That's your pelvic floor muscle. Now, you don't want to train like this though, because if you train like that, you're going to cause bladder issues. You're going to hurt your pelvic floor muscles. What you want to do is to just test out, feel what those muscles are, and then try to replicate them when you're doing the exercises. So again, do the exercises. Don't try to pee and then stop. Again, you can do it a couple times to feel what the muscle is, but don't train like that. So again, pee, stop midway, feel those muscles, then come back and do these exercises that I recommend. That is how you're going to train your pelvic floor muscles, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.